Industrial engineers typically work in office settings, but they may occasionally visit work sites. They often work with other engineers and technicians. But how far can an industrial engineer work on construction sites? This is what we'll be discovering in this video. You have to understand that industrial engineers are polyvalent, working in offices and construction sites. In offices, they work on solving problems, for example, making new plans and strategies to increase production or speed up the construction process. Industrial engineers can work together with architects and civil engineers. For example, to invent new methods of assembling, or maybe adopting new technologies like block building or using even 3D printers in work sites. On the other side, they work on construction sites, observing problems and watching workers doing their job. Industrial engineers don't do labor work in construction, but in most cases are managerial and observative. We're going to give 4 principal tasks that industrial engineers do on construction sites. 1. Process optimization. For example, in construction sites, an industrial engineer can conduct time-motion studies to identify areas of improvement in a concrete pouring process and redesign the workflow to minimize waiting time and increase productivity. 2. Resource planning and management. In terms of resource planning and management, an industrial engineer can develop, for example, a construction schedule that optimizes the utilization of equipment and labor resources. It helps to reduce waste and improve the efficiency of work. 3. Safety analysis and risk management. Sometimes an industrial engineer must identify potential hazards and risks on construction sites. For example, performing a safety analysis of a construction site to identify potential fall hazards and proposing safety measures such as installation of guardrails, safety netting, and personal protective equipment requirements. 4. Data analysis and performance evaluation. One of the most interesting tasks that industrial engineers can do on construction sites is collecting and analyzing data related to construction processes and performance. For example, analyzing data from construction equipment sensors to monitor fuel consumption, maintenance requirements, and operator performance, and using the insights to optimize equipment usage and reduce downtime. If you love to work at construction sites and you are an industrial engineer, you should look for these 4 interesting engineering jobs. 1. Project engineer for a construction firm. A project engineer is a professional who is responsible for the planning, execution, and supervision of a construction project. They are responsible for ensuring that the project is completed on time, within budget, and to the required quality standards. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the average salary of a project engineer is around $101,610. But as a fresh, you will expect to begin with $68,980 and reach up to $160,000 as an experienced one. 2. Estimator. An estimator is a person who estimates the cost of a project. They take into account the materials, labor, and other expenses that will be incurred in order to come up with a total price. This estimate is then used by the contractor to determine whether or not to proceed with the project. But you have to take into account that this position will not make you rich. The average salary of estimators is around $65,170 per year, which is 2 times less than most other engineering occupations, like industrial engineers who work in manufacturing sites. 3. Construction safety manager. A construction safety manager is a professional who is responsible for ensuring the safety of workers and guests at construction sites. They develop and implement safety plans, conduct training and audits, and investigate accidents. Construction safety managers work closely with other members of the construction team to ensure that everyone is aware of and following the safety procedures. Constructor safety managers have a financially rewarding job. The average salary of a construction safety manager is $98,890 per year. This field is one of the most demanding fields in the sector, it growing faster than the average of other fields. 3. Construction superintendent. A construction superintendent is a professional who oversees the construction of buildings and other structures. They are responsible for ensuring that the construction project is completed on time, within budget, and to the required quality standards. The construction superintendent works closely with the project manager and other members of the construction team to ensure that the project runs smoothly and efficiently. This occupation belongs to the same category as constructor manager, earning more than $90,000 a year. This is the end of the video. I hope you enjoy the video and let us know which profession do you like to go in the comment. If you want detailed information, you will find the full link article in the description below. If you like our content, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get the latest tips videos about school, college and careers. So see you soon.